Hello dear pharma aspirants, welcome to GDC classes. In this today's video discussion, we are going to talk about model paper number 2 and that too part B, in which we are going to look at aptitude and mental ability test for your upcoming drug inspector examination of Tamil Nadu state. The exam date is on 26th of October 2024, specifically for the non-pharma portion. So let's get started. Again, there will be 30 questions. You have to do what you have to do is you have to pause the video. For every question, you have to solve it by yourself and then try to see the explanation. Check out how much you are getting correct and try to comment down below so that you can get the confidence that you are on a right track. Okay. So let's start with the very first question. How many are the straight lines in the given figure? So in the given figure, how many are the straight lines? You have to count straight line in this particular triangle. So how many are the lines? Let me check. 1, 2, 3 for the triangle one. Then 3 this side. Then 3 this one. So how many are there? There are total 9 lines, 9 straight lines which are present in this particular figure. Straight line doesn't mean only this kind of line, horizontal and vertical. Straight line means also this, straight line means also this. The line should be straight, whether in whatever angle, that is not the concern. You have to check for the straight line. Not only these are the straight lines, these are also the straight lines. Okay. These are the explanation. Next we have, this is the particular question. At first look, you must be very concerned like this looks very hard, but it is not very hard. You have to reduce this particular equation which is given to its lowest form. In the sense, you have to find the HCF of this particular ratio. And the term should also get into the ratio term. So how you could find? You have to find HCF. You must know how to find the highest common factor. Okay. Highest common factor. What do you have to do? You have to take the lowest number, and there are two numbers here, 128352 and 238368. So what you have to do, you have to divide this. To find the HCF, you just need to divide this number by the remaining number. You don't know, you are not required to know the table. You just take this particular number similarly here and try to minus it, and you will get the highest common factor. Okay, the answer is C. How you could solve, I will show you here. See, you have to divide the smallest number by the other biggest number, then you will get this particular number. Okay, so you got, after getting this particular thing, 68 when divided by 128352. This is a way of solving HCF. If you know some another way, you can find out by using another way also. But this is how we used to find the HCF, by taking one number division by the another number. 128352 1 is 128352. By subtracting this, you get 110016. Okay. Now the next term, the number which is remaining, this should become in this side. So 128352 will be divided by this particular number 110016. It is 1 that is 110016. Then when you minus it, 18336 would be the answer. Then this 18336, you should divide this 18336 by the dividend itself, 110016. You have to go on like this, and here you will get, then it is totally divisible by this particular number. You will get this answer as remainder will be 0. Then you got this particular as the highest common factor. So 18336 is the highest common factor. The remaining two division number, you have to divide this individually by this particular number. You have to reduce it, and you will get the ratio as 7:13. Okay, so 7:13 will be your ratio. You have to divide it, go by slowly, like 128352 divided by 18336. Okay, so go by slowly. Try to reduce it by 2 first. Try by 2, then 3, then 5, whatever it is. You try to reduce it, and at the end you will get the answer 7/13. This is a kind of HCF question, and you must know this is a way complicated, but still, if you are doing the complicated one, then the easier one would be kind of cakewalk for you. Then question number 3, a man with color blindness will see red color as what? Yellow, blue, green or violet. So the correct answer for this is green. So a red color blind person could see red color as green color. Okay, color blindness is inability to distinguish between certain colors, and It is due to the absence of the color sensitive pigment, and the most common type of the color blindness is red and green color blindness, where the red and green colors are seen as the same colors kind of, and you can see the difference between them. Then we have question number 4 and calendar question. If 1st January 2003 is Tuesday, then which day is 31st December 2003? What do you have to do? If 1st January 2003 is Tuesday, it is the given thing which is given in the question. Then don't take 31st December at first. You take 1st January 2004 will be what? Okay, so please do remember, when we go from general year to general year means normal years. You have to add the, if the month is same and if the date are same, month and date are same, and just years are getting changed, then you have to add +1 in the day which is given. Okay, when you go from leap year to general year, you have to do +2. Okay, whenever going from general year to general year, +1, whenever going from leap year to general year, +2. Please do keep in mind. So 2003 and 2004. Now 2004 is what? Whether 2004 is leap year? Yes, it is a leap year. But what? Leap year will start after February month is gone. Okay, leap year starts from the February month. Like after February month, the leap year would be considered. That's why it's a 1st January itself. So we are not considering as such it is a leap year. Okay, even though it is a leap year, but here also you have to add only +1. So would be +1. So Tuesday +1 would become Wednesday. So 1st January 2004 is Wednesday. That means 31st December 2003 would be Tuesday itself. So you got the correct answer. That is Tuesday is the correct answer. I hope you got this correct. Tuesday is the correct answer. Then question number 5, which state cabinet approved the UCC report? UCC is Uniform Civil Code as per the articles of the constitution. Which state has approved this particular uniform civil code? Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. There is only one state, that is Uttarakhand, which has been approved. It has approved the UCC uniform civil code. So it has been historic decision which is taken on 7th February 2024, and it aims to standardize civil laws like religious affiliation, in the sense every religion will have same kind of things to be followed. Okay, same rules and regulations to be followed. It bans the polygamies, child marriages, and a common marriageable age could be formed. Then Sita was born on Sunday. Again a calendar question, question number 6. Sita was born on Sunday, 28th of November 1980, which was Sunday. Now the thing which they are asking, in which year the next birthday on the same day of the week could happen. In the sense, the next time when the Sunday will come, on what day the Sunday will come when Sita will be celebrating her birthday. So again you have to go one by one, check it out when the Sunday will come after 7 days. So see what day it will be, like in which year it will be Sunday. So go on 1981, 1982. Again you have to use the same principle, that is from leap year or from general year +1, leap year general year +2. This is how you have to do. 1982, 1983. I have the explanation, will go directly by the yes. 1980, 1981, 82, 83, 84, 85 and 86. Then what you have to do, these are all the general years, so +1, +1, +1. Then this comes is the leap year. So after 1984 to 1985, when you are moving leap year to general year, you have to add +2, then +1, +1. So after adding, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, +7 to be added on the Sunday. So therefore her next birthday will fall on Sunday, that is in the year of 1986. So the correct answer is 1986. On 28th of November 1986, she will be celebrating her birthday on Sunday itself, on the same day and in the week, in the same day of the week. I hope you got it. Then is question number 7. The size of the cube shown the color of rainbows. You can see green, indigo, yellow, blue, red, orange. And which of the colors of rainbows are left out? Okay, so green is given. So green is already given, green gone. Yellow is also given, indigo is also given. So violet is the one which is left out of this particular cube. Okay, very simple question. Then is question number 8. What it is telling, find the missing terms in the circle. In the circle, this circle is given, you have to find the missing term. Now you first have to find the relation between what it is given, 8, 64, 216, what kind of relation it is showing. So you can see 8 into 8 would be 64, then 64 into what kind of relation with 216, then 216 would come what? So you have option as 1, 512, 9 and 8. So the correct answer is 512 because there is a relationship of cube root. So 2 cube is 8, 4 cube is 64, 6 cube is 216 and 8 cube is 512. So here the cube roots are going 2 cube, 4 cube, like even numbers cube. Okay, 2 cube, 4 cube, 6 cube, 8 cube, even numbers, and their cube roots are getting followed. Okay, so please try to check squares, whether square root terms are following, cube root terms are following. Whatever it is following, you have to check your brainstorm certain things. How come a relation could be formed between the number which is given, and you will get the correct answer. Then question number 9, it is saying hard is coded as 1357, soft is coded as 2468. Then what do 21448 will be stand for? So 2 stands for S, 1 stands for H, double 4 in the sense 4 stand for O, double O. That means, and 8 means T. Shoot is the correct answer. You just have to match the following terms, alphanumerical terms. Shoot is the correct answer. Then identify the figure that completes the following patterns. You have to identify the figure which complete this following pattern. So I could say the figure should be like this. Let me draw it completely. This way it could be forming. So you have to find figure which is resembling like this figure. Okay. So you can see B is the correct answer, which is exactly the same figure which we have completed just now. So B is the correct answer. Then is choose the alternative. Yes, this particular number is given. If the mirror image of this particular alphanumerical series has been seen, then which is correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, which will be formed? So A will remain the A. Then 4, you have to rotate it down. This is given 4. Then comes this 1. You have to find out the mirror image. So A41, where you can find A41 here. So the option 2 and option 3 gone. You have to now decide between 1 and 4. So let us see any differentiating character so that we could know. So this is also same here. This is also same here. This is the way of solving. You don't have to check every letter. Just see which letter is uncommon or differentiating pattern, and then you can find it out. A is here. Yes. T should be the differentiating one because everything else is same. Only the T should be differentiating. So how T would be? Look at T will be remaining as the same. So 4 will be the same. Because if you take the mirror image of T, mirror image of T will be the same. If you take water image, then it will get reversed. So option 1 gone. Option 4 is correct. That is D option is correct answer. It is a mirror image of the given letter. Then you again have to form this HCF wala term. What you can do, you have to find the larger number will come this side, dividend side, then divisor would be 1095, 1095, further goes on solving until you get the remainder 0. This will form your, the remainder 0, once you get the remainder 0, whatever dividend would be, that would be your HCF. That HCF you have to divide individually by 1095 and 1168, and then you will get the lowest form or the simplest form. The correct answer for this is 15:16. Okay, yes, same. See, you have to divide, you will get 73, then 73 will become the divisor and the portion which is remainder will become the dividend. Then similarly when you solve it, you will get the remainder 0. Once you get the remainder 0, you get the HCF. This is 73 is the HCF. The number where you get 0 as a remainder, that become the HCF. The dividend become that HCF. You have to individually divide then this series, individually divide the numbers, and you will get 15:16 as the ratio. Then question number 13, you have to complete this figure. The problem is saying, see, what is the relation between this problem? In first figure, they have shown 3 dots. which is connected by 3 lines. Okay. In the next figure, 3 dots remain the same, but the 3 lines got separated in the opposite direction. This I can tell from the figure which is given. Then what the C is telling? Again, same, the 2 dots are there. Here the 2 dots are there and 2 lines are connecting those dots. So in the next figure, I think the 2 dots will be remaining the same and the 2 lines will get separated. So where you can find this particular figure? In question, in option 3, or in option 3 you will find the same figure which I have drawn. Okay, I'm sure you must have got this particular answer as correct. So option 3 is the correct answer. Then this is the equation where you have to change the sign. Once you change the sign, you will get the correct answer. Interchanging of the signs to get this particular 64 as the correct answer. So you have to change 2 signs, and after changing sign you have to get 64 as the answer. So the correct answer would be minus and division. You have to try every option and then take this thing. You have to interchange it. That means minus will become divide and 64. When you will solve it, you will get 64 as the correct answer. Okay. Okay. So this is the correct answer. 72 minus 8, 64 is to 64. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. The time in my watch is 12:15. Okay, so let us draw. The watch is 12:15 in the sense 12:15. So the hour hand would be on 12 and the minute hand would be on 15. Okay. The hour hand, the hour points to the east. Okay, so they are telling this hour hand is pointing towards the east. So in which direction opposite to the, so what is the direction opposite to the minute hand? Okay, so if it is east, then this particular direction, if I take the direction from this side east, it becomes west, it becomes south, and this become north. Okay, so if our hand is pointing in the east direction, the minute hand is pointing in the south direction. But what the question is asking? The question is telling you have to tell me the direction which is opposite to the minute hand. So opposite to the minute hand is in the south direction. So opposite to the minute hand would be the north direction. So north would be the correct answer. Okay. Next is direction question. Ramesh is somebody who has walked for 400 meter in the north. So let us take 400 meter in the north. He has started walking 400 meter in the north. Okay, and this is his house. From the house, he has started walking 400 meter in the north. Then he takes a right turn and walk 400 meter again. Right turn with 400 meter. Now he turn and walk 100 meters in the south direction. You can see first walk 400 meter in the north direction. We have taken this. Then he takes a right turn and then walks for 400 meter. So right turn and 400 meter. Then he walks in the south direction for the 100 meter. As I have told, this is the point where I reach. How far he is from his house, if the direct distance from his house to the point where he has reached could be taken. So we have to find this particular distance. So how you could find? You can imaginarily take this particular triangle. So I could take blue color, take this triangle, right angle triangle. Based on the Pythagoras theorem, you can find. Now see, this particular, if I take A, B, and C, and this is D and E, these are the points. If I take, you have to find AC, the AC distance to be found. You have AB. Okay, AB would be how much? If AD is 400 and we know EC is 100. So AD, we can imagine 400 minus 100, the remaining portion, this particular portion would be how much? It would be 300. Okay, this remaining portion would be 300. So AB is 300. And the next thing, this particular BC is similar to DE. So BC would be how much? 400. So after solving by the Pythagoras theorem, what it says? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, which is AB is nothing but 300 square plus 400 square. Okay, then what you can take? 900 plus 1600, which is equal to 2500, which is AC square. So AC is equal to under root of 2500, and you will get the answer as 500 meter. So the shortest distance is 500 meter is the correct answer. You have to take the Pythagoras theorem here. Okay. This is how you can find it out. If this particular distance is 400 and he has already covered 100 meter of distance, so you can minus 100 from this 400 and the remaining distance is 300 meter only. And that's why we have taken AB as the 300 meter. Okay. Then again the direction question, a man walks 5 meters straight. Okay, 5 meters straight, he is walking 5 meters straight and then 10 meters to the right. So the right would be this one, 10 meters to the right. 5 meters straight if I started from this side, 10 meters straight right. After this he continuously takes left turn. So here he have come, he will take the left turn. So left would be this one. And first he will try to walk 10 meters. After taking left, he walks 10 meters. Then he will again take left turn. He walks 5 meters. 5 meter. Again the left would be this one now. And he walked 10 meter again. So how it is forming? A man first walk 5 meters straight. This is 5 meters straight. Then 10 meters to his right. So after this would be left, this is right. So left on the right turn, he started walking 10 meters. So this is 10 meters. Then continuously he takes the left turn. How many times? 3 times. First, after taking left, he will try to walk 10 meters. Again, he will try to take the left turn. Left turn means this side he will walk by 5 meters. Again, after coming this side, the left turn would be this one and he again travels 10 meters. So you can see here this particular rectangle is getting formed. Now what they are saying, how far he is from his starting point. This is the starting point, he is here. Okay, now he is here and this is the starting point. So how you can find it out? Again, you can take a right angle triangle here. What you can find it out is this particular, if I named it A, B, C. Okay, so AB is 5 meter, BC is how much? He has already traveled 5 meter above, so only remaining is 5 meter because this particular whole line is 10 meters. This line is 10 meters. He has already walked for 5 meters. Now only remaining is 5 meters. So if I take the Pythagoras theorem, so AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB square is 5 square plus 5 square, 25 plus 25, and AC square is equal to under root of 25 plus 25. What you can tell? What you can tell from this side? Just a minute. We can do 50 right away. Okay, it's not working. So you can take 50, that is AC square is equal to 25 plus 25 is equal to 50. AC is equal to under root of 50. So 50 could be also written as 25 into 2. So once 25 can get outside the under root, then it will become 5. 5 under root of 2 would be the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. How you can do? Just you have to take both of them are 5. 5 square is 25, 25, 25, 25. After addition give 50. Under root of 50 you can take it as 25 into 2 is 50 itself. So I have taken simplify it as 25 into 2. Once 25 get outside the under root, it becomes 5. So 5 under root 2 is the correct answer because this is the way they are asking in the options. So you have to modify your answer accordingly. Yes. Then is question number 18. It says that the following word, there are following word, that is Shri, Shri Shri, Sri Sri, Shri Sri, Sri Shri and Shri Shri. Now you have to arrange according to the dictionary rule and which of the following word will come at the end. So you don't see at all the 5 words, just see at the option. First of all, check whether this particular word will come at the end or not. So Shri, Sri. First of all, let me see. SH wala will come first. So SH, the words which have SH, they are gone. Okay, they will come first in the dictionary. So wherever there is SH in the starting, they are gone. We have remaining left with the 2-1. That is A and B, in which Shri, Sri, Sri, that is SRI and SRI is same. Then comes this SH and SR. So SH again will come earlier than SR because H comes earlier in the alphabetical series than R. So Sri, Sri will be coming at the last one as per the option which is given also. Okay, because SH comes earlier than SR. Both of them just have a difference of this, and that's why Sri Sri become our answer. Okay, try to arrange it alphabetically and you will get the answer. Next is you have to arrange in the logical sense here. In the following question, arrange the words in the meaningful logical order and appropriate one. So probation, selection, advertisement, interview, appointment, and application. So first there is advertisement. So 5 would be 1. So 6, the option D is gone because it started with 6. Because first advertisement will come. After advertisement is coming, then application will start. So 5, 6, 5, 6 is present in every option. After application, the selection will occur. So 563 B will be the correct answer because other are different. So B is the correct answer. So 5, first what happened, advertisement will be coming. 6, that is application will be started. 3, selection will happen. Sorry, interview will happen and then selection will happen. So not B option. It is first 5, 4, 3. This A option is the correct. First advertisement, then application, then interview. After interview, there will be selection. After selection, appointment will be done, and then probation period will start. So option A is the correct answer. Yes, option A is the correct answer. First interview will be happening, and then selection will be happening. Okay, advertisement, application, interview, selection, appointment, and probation. Then is question 20. It says if 10 represent A, 10 means A, 12 means B, and so on. So what the following number stands for? So 46 is given, 50, 36, 16, 10, and 58. From 10, we are considering this A. So we got A. Then what the sequence they are following? So you have to write the alphabetical series from A to Z. Okay, write down from A to Z and the sequence. See the sequence. It is from 10, 12 in the sense there is a gap of two numbers. Okay, so there is a gap of two numbers. Even number series is following. So 10, 12. Then it would be 14, then 16, then 18, 20, 22. This is how it is falling. So you will get the 46 number as well as 50 number, 36 number, 16 and 58 number. Try to check which are the alphabets on this number and you will get Sunday as the correct answer. Okay, Sunday as the correct answer. You have to just first write down from A to Z. Try to give all the numbers according to this and you will get the numbers and try to arrange it accordingly and you will get Sunday as the correct answer. Then is question number 21. It says if democratic is written as edmo, something is written. So let me see. Democratic is written as edmo RCATCI. Then how this continuous could be written? Now check out what they have seen. This is been reversed. E is coming first and then D in the coded form. This is a coding decoding question. Then MO remains the same. AT remains the same. So there is an alternative reversing of the alphabet is happened. Alternative reversing of the alphabet. So this has been reversed, this has been reversed, and this has been reversed, and the other remains the same. So similarly, you have to do the same thing. What you can do? Continuous is written, so it could be OC. NT will be remaining the same. It would be NI. UO will be remaining the same, and then it will be SU. So OC NT, where you can find OC, option C. OC NT NI UO SU. So option C is the correct answer. This is how you have to use your brain. Okay. Question number 22. It says that how many such 4s are there in the following series which is immediately preceded by 7. In the sense, it could be there is a 7 and then there is a 4. But it should not be immediately followed by 3. In the sense, 347 is not required. Okay. Now the thing is preceded in the sense it could be coming it should be having alternative to the 7. The 4 should be at the alternate position to that of 7. Okay. This is what you have to find it out. Now see, here it is 7 but there is no 4. Here it is 4 but there is no preceding of 7. So no preceding of 7, it will not be considered. Here is 4, it is preceded by 7, so it is the one category. Next category, so let me mark it out. This is the one which is having 7 as well as 4. Then the next category is this also, number 2, first, second. Then we have is 347. Here the preceding is done by the 7 but it is also followed by 3 which is not required. So it is not considered out. Then we have next category. This one is the one category, third, and the next one is this category 4. So there are total 4 combination which is preceded by the preceded in the sense they are before 4. So there are total 4 categories which are there, in which they are preceded by 4. Okay, and I am supposed to see there is also one category, this one, fifth one. So there are total 5, I think. 5 categories are there which is preceded by 4. This is the following question. There are total 5. I think this is wrong. The 5 is the total category. I have shown you all the preceding categories. Okay, so do keep it in mind. Then question number 23, it says the simplest form of 92 divided by 115. Again, you have to find out the HCF. Based on HCF, you have to reduce this particular number. So correct answer is option D. You have to find it out in a similar way. The dividend is 92. First take a smaller number by divided by a larger number, and then you will get HCF. HCF is 23. Then you have to individually divide this number by 23 and you will get the reduced format as 4 is 4 by 5. Okay. Then is question number 24. It is saying the next term in the following alphanumerical series is, okay, A1Z, E2V, I6R, M21N, Q88J. What you can find it out is AEIMQ. There is certain series which is getting followed, and here also similar series is getting followed. What kind of series here is getting followed? So you have to just do what you have to do the thing. You have to check the alphabetical series. What are the difference between those numbers? Like between A and E, how many letters are there? B, C, D. So three difference of 3 letters, and then comes E. Then between E and I, how many letters? E, F, G, H. Then comes I. Then after I, it is J, K, L. Then comes M. That means the difference of 3 letters are getting formed. So after Q, after difference of 3 letters, Q, R, S, T. That means U will be coming this side. If you get U as the answer, you are not required to find the other question itself or other things also, because only one option with the U is option B. So B is the correct answer. Okay, just have to check the letters. Again, the same HCF question, you just have to find out the HCF and then you will get the answer. The correct answer for this is 3:4. You have to just divide it, get the HCF, divide individually, you will get the reduced format. Then is question number 26. What it is saying, the missing number in place of A. You have to find this particular A. You have to let apply every tricks and tips here. Let us try for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, what all thing. Combination of this could also be happening this side. So try everything out here. So what could happen? See, if I could say 5 fours are 20, minus 2 would be 18. This is how the relation is also getting formed. Okay, but this is also could be formed, but this relation, the multiplication and the subtraction relation is not forming this side on this next side. So please do remember, you have to follow, if the series is following, it should be followed in every case also. So this one is not correct, but the next thing I could do is 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 into 2 is 18. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 into 5 is 30. That means this particular series is getting followed. First you have to add, then you have to multiply it. Similarly, 4 plus 7 you have to do, that is 11. 11 into 3 is nothing but 33. So 33 is the correct answer. So you have to apply every tips and tricks and then you will get the correct answer. Then is question number 27, HCF question, again an easy question. Here they have not they have not told you to find out the ratio directly. They have told you to find out the HCF. Find out the HCF in the similar way by taking 874, then 598, try to minus it out and you will get the HCF. The HCF is 46. This is the way to do it. 598, 598 1 is 598, then we get 276 as a reminder by minusing this particular number. 276 become the dividend and divisor become 598. Then it 2s are, you can get 552, 46. By 46, all this number getting divided, you get reminder as a 0 and this become as your HCF. Okay. Then the cube. The cube formed by the folding the following figure will be, this is the cube which is formed. Now, please, whenever you see this kind of things, always remember that this number is opposite, 4 is opposite to here the this. Why the screen has not working this side only, okay? So please consider. So this is 4 and 4 is opposite to that of, whenever this kind of cube is done, either you should imagine it properly or just take this thing in your mind. Here the 3 is opposite to 5, 2 is opposite to 1. Whenever you get this kind of series, you just have to remember this. And 4 is opposite to 6. So 4 is opposite to 6, 3 is opposite to 5 and 2 is opposite to 1. Whenever this kind of cube is given, any letter or any number given in the cube, they will be opposite in this way only. Okay, first, third, second, fourth, and then this wala side. And if you don't want this way, then you try to imagine the folding of the cube. 2 will be folding like this, 4 will be folding like this, okay, 6 will be coming like this, then above will be 5 and then will come the 1. So based on that, the cube which is following would be, which cube will be following this side, okay, which cube will be following this side. Based on the opposite category, we can find it out. So the correct answer is option D. How come? 3, 6, 1. So 3, 6, 1. These are the opposite one which is forming the cube, and the opposite, based on the opposite one, you can find it out. The 3 and 5 are opposite phase. They are not the adjacent phase. Opposite one. Then here I can write 3 and 5 are the opposite one. 1 and 2 are the opposite one. 4 and 6 are the opposite one. And whatever the opposite phase are, they are forming one side of the cube and adjacent one. Okay, opposite cannot be adjacent one, and the adjacent one forming the cube would be 3, 1 and 6. Okay. Then is question number 29. If Q means addition, J means multiplication, T means subtraction, K means division, then 30 K, that means division 2. Q means plus, I'm taking this number, okay. 32 Q, 3 J in the sense multiplication, 6 T is minus 5. How you can solve this out? This could be division according to Bardma's rule. First is division. So it would be 15 plus 3 into 6 minus 5. Then comes this multiplication first, 18 minus 5. Then comes this addition, 23 minus 5. Yes, I am correct, right? There is some issue or what? 30 divided by 2 is 15 plus 3 into 6. Am I missing any number? 3, 6, 5. Okay. 6 3s are 18. That is correct. Then minus 18 plus 15 is 33 I have to take. I have taken 23. It's 23 not, it's 33. 33 minus 5 is 28. So 28 is correct answer. Okay, Bodmer's rule has to be fine. Then the next question is how many squares are given in this particular figure. You have to count out the square. So I will draw it in here because here the marker is not working. This is the square which is given. And how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So total 16 square we have got first. So 16 are there. The simple square are first 16. Okay. So we'll add first 16. Then next square is this. Which one? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Okay, similarly 1, 2, 3. Similarly 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so that means total 9 done. Okay, this is 9. The next square remaining is 1, 2, 3, this one. Okay, and 4. This is not, I think it is not visible. It could be. All this 3 is to be considered. Then this side is considered. Similarly, this side is also considered. Similarly, above side you have to consider from this one till this one. This also consider the above one. Then this to this. That means total 4. So 16 plus 9 plus 4. How many? 16 plus 9 plus 4. It would be somewhere It could be 15, 10, 25, 29 or what? 30 should be answer. Yes, I have considered here it is coming 29, but the larger square, the more we have just considered the inside square, but the larger square which is given, the question itself, that is this particular whole square is not considered. Considering that also we get 1, that is total 30 is the answer. Okay, this larger one also has to be considered. Total 30 is the answer and you can find it out easily. I hope you like this particular video. Do comment down your correctness of the answers and try to check it out. Do everything correct in your examination. All the best for your upcoming examination. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much.